Do you think they should continue and get married?
So good for each other.
Really?
Yeah, they are. No.
Don't do it?
No, they shouldn't. That's this guy right here.
I'm running.
Before the sun gets up, before the day is through, before the million things that I know you've gotta do, when you're driving in your car, stuck with the
Danielle,
traffic view,
do you take this man to be your lawful wedded husband, to have and to hold in sickness and in health, in richness and for poorness, until death do you both part?
I
And TJ, do you take this woman to be your lawful wedded wife, to have and to hold in sickness and health, in richness and poorness, until death do you part? I do. Now by the power vested in me, I now pronounce you both man and wife. They kiss each other. My extreme